On behalf of NIMI, I welcome you all to the welder trade video session. I am J. Jayaprakash from NSTA Chennai. Today I am going to explain safety in shield metal arc welding. During the arc welding, the welder exposed to hazard such as injury and harmful rays of arc. A welding arc gives out radiations or rays. That rays are visible light rays, infrared rays and ultraviolet rays. Then burn due to excessive heat from the arc and contact with the hot job. Toxic forms, flying hot spatter and slag particles and object falling on the feed. Now, I am going to explain what are the safety apparels and accessories are used to protect welder and other persons working near area from the mentioned hazards. Now, we see the safety apparels: leather apron, leather gloves, leather cap with sleeve, industrial safety shoe, hand screen, adjustable helmet, portable fireproof canvas screen, chipping and grinding goggles, respirator and exhaust dusting. The leather apron, gloves, cap with sleeve and leg guard are used to protect body and arms, neck and chest of the welder to protect from the heat radiation and hot spatter, form the arc and also form the hot slag particles flying from the weld joint during chipping of the solidification slag. While wearing the safety apparels, we should follow the guidelines. Select the correct size. It should not be loose or tight. Wearing gloves, ensure your fingers move is comfortable. Ensure the safety apparels without any defect and damage. Industrial safety shoes. The industrial safety shoe is used to avoid slipping injury to the toes and ankle to the foot. It also protects the welder from the electric shock as the sole of the shoe is specially made of shock resistance material. Welding hand screen. A hand screen is designed to hold in hand. It is give protection to the welder eyes, ears, face, neck and hand of the user. Helmet. Helmet screen is designed to wear on the head. Hand screen and helmet screen, both accessories are given the same protection. Compare with hand screen, helmet has one more advantage, that is where the welder need to manipulate both hands during the welding time. Example, one hand hold the electric holder or gun, another hand to hold the filler rod. Next one is clear glass. Clear glass are fitted on the each side of the colored glass. That colored glass, another name is filter glass. The reason is clear glass protect the filter glass from the weld spatter. Colored glass are available in variable shades. It has a number of value also. Selections of the filter glass number is depending upon the welding current range. For example, 8 to 9 number shade selected to for the range of the current is up to 100 ampere, 10 to 11 100 to 300 amperes, 12 to 14 above the 300 ampere. Next one is portable fireproof canvas screen. The portable fireproof canvas screens are used to protect the person who works near the welding area from the arc flash. Carefully watch the picture. two persons are working with a different job and different position. The place portable fire protect canvas screen help to protect the both welder from the arc flash. Next is plain goggles. During the grinding operation and chipping, welder should wear plain goggles. It will protect the welder from the flying hot spatter and hot slag. It is made of backlight frame fitted with clear glass and elastic bond. It holds to securely on the head. It is designed for comfortable to fit proper ventilation and full protection from all sides. So, welder eyes fully protect and give clear view. Next one is respirator and exhaust dusting. During the welding process may need the heat to metal up to melting point and using shield gas for protecting weldment. Due to this reason, welding area covered by foams and smoke. While welding burn material like brass may be given out toxic fumes. So, welder must be wear respirator pad to prevent inhaling of toxic fumes. Near the welding place should provide a exhaust dusting system. It may sucking smoke and foams. So, welder may protect from toxic foams and smoke. Inhaling toxic foams will make the welder become unconscious and falling on the hot metal or job on the floor. This causes burning or injury. During the welding process, as a welder must be wearing safety apparels and accessories, then following the safety guidelines. I hope you are all understand about safety in shield metal arc welding. Thank you.